I didn't. Oh. I'm starting a little bit late today. Let's go to the supermarket. Now, when you're cycling these quiet streets of Digue, the only thing is missing some reggae music. Then you got a Caribbean feeling right away. But there are a lot of Rastas here, and they're hearing Caribbean reggae music, but the sound is mostly bad. Yes, I think I'm gonna call this video The Spirit of Digue. Now, to get to the where you need to buy some tickets to go in the park. It's here, old cemetery. Come inside. This is the old beer coffee here. It's pretty picturesque. So, here are the turtles, the old. There are no bicycles at all here. Like, there's nobody on. So this is the only alcohol-free beer that I found here in Seychelles, from Bavaria, Holland, Netherlands, and I quite enjoy this one. Strawberry flavor. It's also alcohol-free malt drink, so it doesn't have so much sugar as Coca-Cola. So it's healthier than Coca-Cola, I guess. And I found it overall on the other islands, but in Digue, just here in this supermarket. I don't know what's the name. I'll tell you later. So here is the only supermarket.